Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out a 1972 Chevy Nova. Car shined up really nice. This is what we call just a nice driver car. Entry-level classic with just an awesome performance and fun to drive mechanically.
The previous owner had this one a long time. And make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the undercarriage. That's the most important part. Very solid floors, frame rails, trunk. We're not a big fan here of the blue hoses that kind of slip through our shop that way. I've got all brand new black ones. We're going to go ahead and take those off and put black ones. Not a fan of the look of the blue under there, but so we're going to get rid of that. And other than that, this thing's just ready to roll. It's a lot of fun. It's got a numbers matching 350 turbo transmission. It's got a built 350. We can't tell exactly what it is as far as what year and horsepower it's been decked. So it's been balanced and decked and all that stuff planed down.
So rebuild.
Yep.
Power steering, power brakes.
Previous owner, this was his baby. He had it for a long time, had a lot of fun with it. It's a 98,000 mile car that a guy just put a cheap paint job on probably 20 years ago. And so that's the biggest thing with it is it's really solid, but it's just a driver paint, you know.
Yep.
Got a lot of little chips and stuff like that.
Solid body, a lot of little chips, stuff like this. And then, you know, the cowl's a newer piece, so it hasn't been painted to match.
We went with the 14-inch rally, so it's got the 14-inch rallies on it. Good bumpers. Back of the hood lines up good. There's a little ding here, a little scratch here. And like I said, the biggest thing is great car, but will need a paint job to be a real nice Nova. Back of the hood lines up great. Bottom of the door lines up excellent to the fender. Fender's rust free. We got a chip in the red paint here. You can see a little gold under there. That's what it was originally. Corner of the door fits good. Lower quarter is awesome and solid. So is the roof here. So like I said, it's got super good bones and a really fun car to drive. There's some chips here that's been touched up and some rock chips right behind there. See that right there? Back bumper looks good. Tail light area looks nice. It's all been jammed when it was done years ago. Trunk's all been carpeted. It's got a spare and stuff in it as well. This is just like the original piece here. See it? It's just an extra one of those, but the one on it's nice. So. It's got a new B&M shifter in it. It's got the correct steering wheel. It's got the white bucket seat interior. Front seats match the back seats perfectly, which is always a good thing to ask when you got buckets in one. And it looks like a 1971, 72 bucket seat interior. Headliner's original, it looks like, in excellent shape. I don't see any holes. No issues there. Dash pad is excellent. Like I said, probably, Dalton, a 98,000 mile car.
Yeah.
Just a good survivor car that someone built. It's got 410 gears, Posi rear end, built 350 motor, 4-barrel. This thing really runs good. Corner of the door is rust free. That's the first thing, is you got to find a good solid Nova.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you look up and down the sides, I mean, the paint's just a little, what did you say, just a little dull, a little choppy. You know what I mean? It's not a great sheen anymore, so.
But as you mentioned, you know, if you want to take this to the next level, it's got a great body to where, you know, it doesn't look like it needed a whole lot of body work.
Well, and wait till we get through to the mechanics. The biggest thing is it's really solid, and the mechanical, it's a really good car. I mean, just something you can jump in and just have a ball with. So if you look up and down the sides, it's got a few little door dings in it. Isn't that what you'd say? Just a few little dings and stuff that when they painted it, they didn't take out. A couple little door ding stuff and some little chips.
Very light door dings.
Super solid quarter panel over the wheel well is great. In front of the wheel well, it's nice and solid as well. Bottom of the doors fit great.
Only ding I really see is a very light one, but right there. But looking up and down the sides,
it's just got orange peel. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It wasn't ever color sanded and buffed. It's got chips. It's one of those cars where we get a lot of customers that, you know, obviously want the really, really nice $50,000 Novas, but this is one that a guy can jump in and enjoy and have some fun with right now, you know, in the $30,000 market.
Yep.
So we try to have a little bit for everybody. Corner of the door, super solid. Door rubber's good. Door jamb paint was all done at the same time as the exterior paint. Like I said, it looks like they probably did a color change, but in most parts it really is all covered in red pretty well. Seats are excellent, carpet's excellent. Steering wheel's original, but it has a couple little cracks here. Overall appearance is good though. Go. Look at the condition of the heater fan and controls. Most time that's always crap, and the heater fan works.
Nice.
You know, how many times do those work? Dome light does not work. Wipers work. They're 2 speeds. They both work. Gas gauge works. We're just over half a tank. We filled it up when we got it. Temp gauge works. Start's easy too. Oil pressure gauge works. We got 60 pounds at an idle. Radio does not work. It's just an old factory radio. An old school radio. Horn works. Tack works. What do you think of it so far? Just the sound.
Cool car. Yeah, it's one of those fun ones that's, you know, it's just kind of that fun performance you can take to the grocery store and not worry about parking next to the cart corral.
Exactly. Here's your brakes. Brakes are perfect, stop great, no pull. Steering wheel's nice and straight.
Yeah, it's got that.
It's a cool car. It's got a lot of torque for that little 350. Look at that black mark we left with that 57.
Yeah, it's awesome. Fun car.
See what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
See why I kind of fell in love with this when I came off the trailer? I know the paint's not great at all, but look at it. Speedometer works. It goes straight down the road. It's just a good little car.
Yeah, it is. It's a fun one.
Here's your high-speed braking.
Stop great.
Yeah, I mean, really mechanically, it's a great car. I mean, with that new B&M shifter, I like just going through the gears with it if you can. I mean, that's why they put it on there.
Yeah, it's fun.
You got a smile, D.
Yep, it's a
Don't
fun
ya?
car. I like it.
Yeah, it's just a good car. A guy can have a lot of fun with, but you could make it a 45 car by a nice paint job too.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Because mechanically, it's awesome.
Yeah. Absolutely. Fun little Nova. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.